Hello, welcome back. This is Bree with My Lavender Pages. Come here, you. And we're gonna film another week. I have been very naughty. No, I've been very busy, and I haven't edited and published last week yet. And I need to do that. I'm gonna try and do that today at some point. But I'm just gonna keep up on it and keep filming and keep going. We have a new friend. This is a traveler's notebook from Imperfectly Perfect, and I don't know if she's making these anymore. I bought this. Mango keeps eating my earrings. Let go. I bought this in 2017. It was my very first traveler's notebook, and it has something sticky on it. But it was my very first traveler's notebook cover, like the book that I ever bought. I pulled it out and found this little reusable sticker book that has leftover Happy Planner stickers in it. And I thought, well, maybe I should put this little thing in there, which has washi tape and stickers. And then I'm like, oh, I'll put this in here, which is all my Coffee Monster Co. stickers. And then in this pocket, I have the stickers that I bought at Hobby Lobby that have all the quotes. So it's one chunky monkey, but it houses all the stickers that I use on a regular basis. And I've been enjoying it. So yeah, that's what this is. Let me show you how things have been going. My everyday carry got a little bit thinner when I pulled the sticker folders out, which has been really nice. Let's see. We have the future log, which is filling up because we're almost finished with May. And then we have the Feeling Blue tracker and migraine tracker, and this came out, so I need to tip it back in. Steps and weather. Here is my weather graph. We cooled down for a little while. Excuse me, now we're getting warm again. Okay. My kids gave me a whole bunch of little phone numbers from their friends that they collected on the last day of school. And they're scattered throughout my book. Hi! Are you just gonna hang out there and whistle? Yeah? Yep. I went outside and watered my garden and pulled some weeds, and now my allergies are like giving me grief. It's lovely. Today is Memorial Day. Oh, please don't eat my earrings. Today is Memorial Day. Tomorrow's gonna be busy. Wednesday's gonna be busy. It's just how everything is going. Okay. This was last week. Here is the current, let's see. This was the last week. Here is my habit tracker and my gratitude log. And then we have all of the daily pages. I haven't printed any pictures yet, but I have started putting them together in InDesign. Here is my current day. Yeah. Okay. You are going to go in here now. Yeah. I have a little cage for her because down in my office, because I bring her down with me when I'm working. Okay, so here's today. We have so far today, excuse me, we woke up at about 8 o'clock this morning. It is currently 10. So in this amount of time, I have started a load of laundry, done the dishes, started cleaning my water distiller, went outside, weeded my garden, and watered it because our sprinklers aren't working right now, and got after my kids to clean up. So we're going to put clean house. And we're going to get out my chores stickers. I should have, don't I have one that has like a little spray bottle on it? Oh, it's in the spring collection, which is in this pocket. We have had a night thunderstorm almost every day for the last 2 weeks. It's so crazy. There it is. There's my little spray bottle. And my washing machine is being grumpy. I'm going to go check on it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna have to mess with that later. My little man threw up last night, and it got all over his bedding. So I'm trying to wash his bedding, and it's not light. It holds a lot of water, and so my washing machine is off balance. All right, here is June. So this is the rest of the current week. So here's the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4 through 7. This is the week we are going to plan. Here is what my current week looks like. I used the Memorial Day MandyLynn Plans kit, both the Washi mini kit and the journaling kit. And then I'll be using the journaling kit throughout my daily pages for the rest of the week. This is what we're going to work on today. So I have slowly collected a whole bunch of leftovers from like April and May, and some of the weekly kits. So we're going to use them. See, I have 4 moods. I have 4 moods. I have random boxes and dots and washi tape, and they all kind of go together. So we're going to use them. First, let me get down the days of the week and put some dots, some number dots. Let's see, we're going to use these right here. So we are going to start with number 5. Okay, so on Monday, you know what, let's put some washi down first. I want to use some of the Coffee Monsterz co-washi that I recently purchased. And I have them on these washi cards. Oh, I think I want to do the sweets. Let's do the sweets. My gosh, guys, I'm sorry about my allergies. Wow. Okay. Sweets. So we're going to put them. There is no way during this summer that I'm going to be up before 7 o'clock. I would say before 8 o'clock, but I work at 7:30 2 days a week. So we're gonna say 7 o'clock. And I'm gonna let it go over a little bit because these little emojis are so cute. Okay, so on Monday in the morning, I have cleaning places that I do for my husband. And then on Wednesday evening at about 5, we go together. Okay, then on Wednesday at 7:30, I work. Thursday at 7:30 and Saturday at 7:30, I go to work. On Sunday, we have church at 9. Then on Tuesday at noon, we have park day. On Monday at 4, we have a hair appointment. Then on Tuesday, we're going to use some dots. On Tuesday at 6:30, my husband has meetings. Then on Thursday, he goes and plays basketball. Also on Tuesday, my friend Brittany and I might cook together. Okay. So Tuesday is part of May. Okay. We also... no, wait. Tuesday... We're on the first week of June. Oh my gosh. So hair day, park day, work 2 days. Okay, on Friday, my husband has the day off. I don't know what we're going to do yet. We've talked about going camping on Thursday nights into Fridays. But we're building a garage, and a whole bunch of the bits and pieces of it were put in our carport right underneath where our tent is. So yeah, that's gonna cause a problem trying to get the tent out. Okay, so our husband has day off. Okay, then on Sunday at about 7, where my parents are having a neighborhood party, and they've invited all the kids who grew up in the neighborhood to come and visit. So then we have our mood. I thought I had 4 of these. Do I only have 3? We're gonna put them down here on every other day. Okay. And look at that, I still have a whole bunch of leftovers. That's okay. Let's write down, oh, I do have this one. Kind of like them staggered like that though. So let's put what's left of these stickers on these sheets. So I have my little Coffee Monsterz Co. I used a Coffee Monsterz Co. kit, kinda, sorta, tag. And then we're gonna move these stickers to these sheets so that I can cut down on some of the bulk And then as I work on my week, I will be filling out and using more stickers. Filling out stuff and using more stickers. I really need to start using these packages because you do get a few packages. Okay. That can go in garbage. Right. Okay, let's write stuff down. There we go. A Coffee Monsterz co-plan with me using leftover stickers. Not too bad. These are MandyLynn plan dots. These are from MandyLynn plans, but the rest are Coffee Monsterz Co. sticker stuff. Yep. And that's how that goes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Take care, everybody. Happy summer, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.